Is it recording? It's recording. Okay. Let's go to tutorials. And what I want to show is, what is it? The knockback influence. Now, I was reading this somewhere that if you press hold down and then press back, you gotta time it or whatever. Right? So we're gonna time it. But we're not worried about this one. This one you just press up, you hold up. This one you just hold down. And then this one you hold up, and the last one is down again. Yeah, just hold it down. You can end up going down anyway. Alright, so then you get Wonderwoman, right? And you're supposed to, oh, I'm on the other side. Oh. So you're supposed to hold down and back, right? But that doesn't work. So the secret of this is I have an Xbox controller, so I'll just press the Xbox controller twice. Hold on, let me hold it back and down first. Okay, you gotta hold it back and down. Let her hit you first. See that? Hold it down, hit you, and then let her hit you first, and then hold back and down. And then you see yourself, and that's it. If you do it this way, it works better. That down. See, as you can see, it is difficult to do at first, but once you hold back and down, and then they hit you, and then they press the Xbox one, right, David? Then you press the Xbox button, then it works. And that's all I wanted to show you. And